Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I am so excited to try out this, what seems to me kind of like an innovative mascara. It's a double extend 2-in-1 Beauty Tubes Mascara from L'Oreal. Lash Extension Effect Mascara. So on one end you've got a lash primer, which I use a mascara primer every day, and then on the other end is a tubing mascara, which I love a tubing mascara because it doesn't smudge, and basically it's supposed to like wrap around your lashes and make them even longer, and then it says it comes off very easily just with warm water. Like the tubes will come off and you don't even need to use makeup remover. So that sounds pretty intriguing. And I bought this at Ulta where it cost $14. This was another product from my huge Ulta haul, which if you still haven't seen that haul video, that is up here on my YouTube channel. And I got this in the shade 575 Blackest Black. And I just love a super dark black mascara. Of course, starting with the primer side, it looks like a good wand. You know, the packaging, I don't love this shape because like I can't like set it down standing up or flat. I feel like I have to like hold on to it. But the wand, it's kind of small with a lot of brush-like bristles, and I love like a smaller mascara wand to hopefully not have as much mascara end up all over my eyelid. But so first going in with the primer, it is going on kind of with a white tint to it. And I'm gonna try and work quickly because it says you do not need to let the primer dry down before applying the tubing mascara. So now that all of my lashes, I believe, are covered in the primer, I'm gonna switch right around to the tubing, which this one you can see it's a little bit bigger. I've got my hands full here, but a little bigger. Still like the spiky brush-like bristles. I feel like it's just like the primer one, but a little bit bigger. So let's see how it does. Ooh, it is going on really nice. I feel like the lashes look very individually coated, nicely separated. Looking pretty good. Not much volume yet. That's like my one complaint, but no clumping, no sticking together. So I like that. I'm gonna see if I'm able to build up a little bit more volume with the mascara side. But before I do that, since this is a tubing mascara that doesn't smudge, I'm gonna try it out on the lower lashes. So coating them with the primer. Even though it's a bigger wand, I did not get any mascara on the eyelid. So let's see how I do on the under eye. I like this as a lower lash mascara. I feel like it makes my lower lashes look so long, which is almost like kind of a freaky look for me. But I feel like I could get used to it. I feel like I don't usually see my lower lashes looking this long, but I guess not a bad thing. Is it? I don't know. It looks a little bit weird to me. Can you tell? Does it look weird? But okay, let's see if I can get some volume on these top lashes. It's not building up much volume. I'm able to get a little bit more, but it's not super volumizing. But I do like how all the lashes are staying separated. It's pretty lengthening since it really does coat the very tips of the lashes. It's supposed to even add length to the lashes, but I feel like that's really hard to tell. And I do feel like there's a little bit of lifting, a little bit of curl, but mostly I think what I can get from this is length and separation, which if I really want more volume, which I kind of do because I love like intense lashes, I would probably have to go over this with a more volumizing mascara. So I did end up with a little bit on my eyelid here. Let's see. Yep, it's true. No smudging. It does just wipe away, which is really nice. I think I'm going to have to continue wearing this for the rest of the day, and in the description down below, let you know how it wears, because I'm a little worried with like tubing mascaras like this that they can crumble throughout the day and even like get into my eyes, and I really do not like that. So I'll let you know how it goes. But that is a really nice difference. It just gives more of a natural look to the lashes than I typically go for, just because I like to get a lot of volume. But it looks nice. Like no clumping, just like some really nice lengthened, darkened, nicely fanned out lash look. So now onto the other eye. I'm gonna go ahead and do the lower lashes at the same time. I just feel like the primer doesn't really do anything. Like I'm kind of confused on like what the primer does. Nourish and protect. All right. I just feel like other lash primers that I've used actually give a little bit more like volume, and they'll like make it look like I've put on more coats of mascara when I'm just putting on the actual first coat of black mascara. Whereas this one, I'm not really seeing that volume or any additional coats given to the lashes. Yeah, like even looking at my lashes with just like the first coat versus this one where I tried to build it up, it's barely any different. So that's my only complaint about this. I like it other than the fact that it's just not super volumizing. And so here are my finished lashes. I do love how long they are looking, but I'm definitely into this 2-in-1 primer and mascara. So if you've tried any other types of like 2-in-1 primer mascaras, let me know in the comments down below. I can't think of any others like that come to mind right away, but I'm sure there's got to be some other ones out there, and now I really want to try more like this. So thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.